Well, my policing staff here at Newport West Police Station, they informed me of an incident at Berth 8 last night, where it is believed that a stevedore who was doing duty lashing, that's binding containers together, right, that he somehow, unfortunately, lost his balance and fell, hitting his head on the way down, and of course went under water. Someone is reporting that he saw him came up once, but then they didn't see him again. So he fell from this cargo ship, and we have not been able to find him since. But just to inform that we did activate our search systems, and that's the Marine Police, with the support of the JDF Coast Guard, and they went until 2 this morning, but was unsuccessful in finding this man, this employee. This morning as well, around about 7, the private divers, supported by JDF divers, carried out another search. The reports are that the water was quite murky, and the lighting conditions also a challenge, and the weather condition as well. I think there's high breeze out there and so on. And so, but they came up unsuccessful with that search as well. As we speak, we have activated our search units again, the Marine Police, again supported by the Coast Guard, and we are going to do another search now and try to get this done before nightfall. Hopefully we will be successful in locating this gentleman. We understand that he's 38-year-old Scott Bambury, and was employed to the stevedoring services here at the Kingston Wharves. So it's a very unfortunate situation, but we are doing what's expected of us. Families were informed based on the reports from our stakeholders at Kingston Wharves, and that grief counseling was also activated. But as I mentioned before, we will continue the search efforts as long as the conditions are such that it can be done.